216, good sticks, light them.
Good sticks.
6-2, up to the stop, he's pulling into 629 race.
I'm going to stop 10-2, pulling the 629 race.
Wow.
Oh yeah, those are good sticks.
I don't know. I'm gonna go over here. I don't know that we need everybody here, but
Better too many than too few.
there you go.
He said, "What I do." Ah. Well, he's got 1, 2, 3.
220, squad's in flow.
I think they got all 4 tires.
Squad's in full.
Nice job. He's not really comprehending. That's the problem. That's not really comprehending.
118 for squad's in full. No sign of forced entry this time. Copy, no sign of forced entry.
Should we get a video of the old days? All right.
Copy from Carol, 171, 262, go for out here, take him into custody.
Code
Is
4,
it gone?
taking the male into
Did you zoom
custody.
in or something?
Cancel the 10 to 115.
No, that's them versus him. Yeah, we see a little intoxication going on there.
Well, whoever did the sticks did a nice job.
Yeah. $14? That's very good. Breaking her in, yeah.
Heck yeah!
Heck yeah. Well, we got to find a real one now, right? All right. So long and the short of it, reckless driver fled from St. Paul up there on Wheelock and Rice. They lost it around Maryland, but it reemerged near Front and Rice Street about 10 minutes later. Probably hid out for a while. St. Paul car saw it, they stuck it. Not exactly sure if it was the sticks that caused him to reconsider fleeing or if he just reconsidered.
18, we'll take one of you in front.
I was worried he was going to run Susie over.